Just minutes from historic downtown Charleston and Sullivan's Island, in the charming old village of Mount Pleasant, lies 734 Pitt Street, a sophisticated contemporary residence envisioned and built by some of the Lowcountry's most sought-after designers, architects, and craftsmen. Completed in 2020, this 3,100-square-foot home is nestled on a private half-acre lot and combines a spacious floor plan, impeccably curated design elements, state-of-the-art finishes, and expertly designed outdoor living spaces to create a distinguished, one-of-a-kind residence. The 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath main home welcomes guests through a charming front porch into intimate, light-filled spaces. Centered around the main living spaces, the innovative kitchen was precisely designed by Somatic in Germany and features high-end appliances by Sub-Zero, Miele, and Bosch. Throughout the home, you'll notice gorgeous white oak hardwood floors, along with high-end finishes, custom lighting by Urban Electric, a state-of-the-art Sonos audio system in every room, and great connectivity to the outdoor living spaces. The generous first-floor owner suite features custom cabinetry, dual closets, a spa-like master bathroom, and access to the screened porch overlooking the private backyard. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom with soaking tub upstairs round out the main residence. Step out to the backyard on the beautiful deck featuring Ipe hardwood, retractable screened porch enclosures, gas fireplace, and a custom 12-jet spa that extends out to the beautifully landscaped property. The heated lap pool features custom filtration, heater, and 3 beautiful fountains, perfect for a swim or a relaxing dip after a day on the beach. Your guests will feel like royalty in this spacious and private guest house with luxurious finishes and custom details, a perfect complement to the main residence. A unique blend of modern sophistication and old village charm, 734 Pitt Street exemplifies the highest degree of architecture, design, and finish in Mount Pleasant's most desirable neighborhood.